In all the monitor demos we've shown so far, we haven't configured any notification channels or actions. Next, we'll walk through setting up notification channels and actions. First, let's go to the notification channels page. Click Create Channel. We'll create 3 channels. First up is email. Enter your email address. Send code. Create. Okay. Next, let's add a Telegram channel. Here we'll check group type. For how to get your group chat ID, we recommend reading through our documentation. For now, we'll just go ahead and demo it directly. First, you'll need to search for the BlockSec Phalcon bot on Telegram, right here. Then add it to your group. We've already done that step in advance. Then type Get Chat ID here, and it will send the group chat ID to your group. Paste that in here, then click Create. You should then receive a test message from the bot. Great. Step 3. Let's create a WebSocket channel. Click Generate WebSocket. It will generate a WebSocket URL for you. Copy that URL, then click Create. Let's use a web-based client to test the connection. Connection established. Alright, now let's bind some notification channels. Starting with the monitor we just created, the token amount monitor, we can add a notification channel here. Let's add the email channel. Click Save. That's all configured. Now for the Pendle Staking Attack Monitor, right here, we'll add notification channels, both WebSocket and Telegram, then click Save. Now let's run a backtest on this monitor to see if it triggers the notification channels. Click Run Test. Give it a moment. Alright, we can see here that the WebSocket has already delivered the alert message. The payload is fairly large. It contains the associated attack details. And over on Telegram, the bot has also sent the alert. Let's also check the email. The email alert came through as well. Email contains the token amount alert. Beyond these 3 notification channels, the platform also supports Webhook, Slack, Lark, Discord, and PagerDuty. I won't be demoing each of those individually. That wraps up the notification channels walkthrough.